Hello everyone, today I'm gonna give you a comprehensive introduction on how to use your StarV View smart glasses. The StarV View comes with two main accessories, a glasses case and a data cable. The data cable features two differently designed ends. The straight end is used to connect to smart devices, while the curved end connects to the glasses. If you are connecting to a mobile phone, you'll first need to install the Meizu AR app. Then use the officially verified data cable to connect your phone and the View glasses. After logging into your personal account within the app, you'll be ready to enjoy a massive 188-inch virtual display. The same connection process applies when using a PC or gaming console. For a full list of compatible devices, please refer to the official website. The Meizu AR app also allows you to adjust the color modes of the View glasses. Make sure you are logged into a personal account and that your phone is properly connected to the glasses. In the app, go to Settings, Color Adjustment, where you'll find three available modes: Professional mode, ideal for text-based tasks. Cinema mode delivers more vibrant colors for an immersive entertainment experience. Night View mode, designed to reduce eye strain. The app automatically saves your preferences when adjusting these modes. Simply choose the one that best suits your needs. After connecting the View glasses to your computer, you can adjust the refresh rate by opening System Settings, navigating to Display Settings, and selecting Refresh Rate. Simply click on the display option in the left taskbar to view, and modify the relevant parameters on the right. You can choose from three refresh rate options: 60 Hz, 90 Hz, or 120 Hz, depending on your requirements. Please note, however, that if your phone or computer does not support refresh rate adjustment, this feature will not be available. On the body of the View glasses, you will find two adjustable knobs and buttons located on the underside of the temples. The knobs are used for diopter adjustment, supporting up to -6 degrees, allowing users with nearsightedness to fine-tune the display for optimal clarity. The short press button on the underside serves as a function key, while the long press button is used to adjust display brightness. By now, I'm confident that you have a solid understanding of your StarV View smart glasses. Go ahead and give it a try.